Hello student, it will be a class of coding. You know that coding is a fun and very powerful as well. So as a student, you must have to be aware about this coding. So this is our laptop screen, PC screen. So what can you do? You can go to the search bar of your PC and can type Notepad. So first of all, we will look that there will be a requirement of editor for coding. So which editor we are using? We are using the Notepad. It will be already available in your desktop. So you can open that Notepad and it will get opened up like this. This is our Notepad. So on this you can do the coding. Since we are talking about the HTML, so first of all we will start from the HTML, hypertext markup language. So this coding, HTML coding, you will do in a tag. So what is a tag? Greater than, smaller than sign. So what is a tag? There is a greater than, smaller than sign. This will be a kind of tag. So whenever you will open a tag, you will close that tag as well. How will you close that tag? By pressing forward slash. So if you are pressing forward slash, this tab will get closed. So this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. So as you know student, we want to write HTML. So we will write HTML. So we will open the HTML tag and will close the HTML tag. As I have already discussed, like a normal human being, in the HTML you will have head. So you will open the head tag and you will close the head tag as well. Opening head tag and closing head tag. In the HTML there will be head and there will be the body. So you will open the body tag and will close the body tag as well. This forward slash you will make in the starting. You will not make in the at the last. If you will put the forward slash here, not here, so it will give the error. Now so be very careful. The closing tag forward slash we will make in the very starting of the tag. So this will be a normal HTML. You are looking that we have opened the HTML and closed the HTML here. In between the HTML we have the head and there is a body. So I have told to you that in your head what can you do? You can write title. So in the head we will write the title, and for the writing the title we will open the tag and will write title in this, and we will close the title tag as well. Now this is the opening title tag, this is the closing title tag. In between the opening and the closing title tag, whatever the name, whatever the title you want to give, you can give. I am giving the title HTML class 10th. So this will be our title. So what we have done till now, we have opened the HTML tag, closed the HTML tag, we have chosen the head and the body of the HTML, and in the head we have written the title. Now this is the kind of coding you have done in HTML. This is the first step. So after doing this, what will you do? You will press Ctrl S. and the PC or laptop will give you a option that control S will be for saving the file. So computer will give you the option where do you want to save it. Suppose I'm going on the desktop, and here in the HTML folder I am making class 10th. I am making a new folder which have the name class 10th, and in this class 10th I want to save this HTML file. So for saving the HTML file they are asking what's by which name you want to save. You can give any name, you can give Anna, you can give John, or you can give Diva, whatever name you want to give, you can give. I am giving a name Vindhya. My file name will be Vindhya. So whatever name do you want to give, you can give. Then after giving the name, file name, what will you do? You will also write .html. This .html always you will type after the name as you are coding in the HTML. So you will write file name .html. So this .html is important for you. If you are not writing it, it will not get saved in HTML. So you can give name to that file, and .html you will write after the name. Then after they are saying save as type. What type you want? So we want all files. We want all files. So we will select the all files and will save it. So this HTML code now has been got saved in our desktop HTML folder. There is a class 10th folder. In that you are looking the file HTML file which you had named as Vindhya is coming. And look, this is not a normal file, Word file or PDF file. It is not a Word PDF file. It is a browser file. Look at here. Here the Firefox is coming. So it is a kind of file which will get opened, which will get opened in the web browser. So open it. Look that HTML class 10th. This is the file here it is opening, and here it is coming HTML class 10th. From where it is coming? HTML. In the tab you are looking, it is showing HTML class 10th. From where it is coming? It is coming from here. Okay, it is coming from here. As title we had given HTML class 10th. So suppose I am giving the title HTML tutorial. HTML tutorial, and saving this. And if I will go to this page, our web page, and will refresh it, look, in the tab the title has got changed by the HTML tutorial. Suppose I want to give it the name Kailas, and saving it, and I'm going to this browser page. Where I'm going? Look where I'm going. I'm closing it all. I'm going to my desktop, opening the HTML tag, and in the HTML we had saved our file which was named as Vindhya. So I am opening that. Look, now the tab has got tab name has got changed, title has got changed by HTML. So till now you have learned that how will you write the code. You will write the code in the notepad. Once again I'm recapitulating the things. Okay, once again I'm recapitulating the things. First of all, we will go to the search bar. We will type notepad. We'll open the notepad. Here whatever HTML we want to write, we can write. So we are opening and closing the HTML tag, and in this HTML tag you all know we will have the head. So we'll open the head and we'll close the head, and then after head we will have the body. So we'll open the body and we'll close the body. Okay, now as you know that whatever title we want to give to our web page, that I will write in the head, and in the head you will have the title. So you will open the title tag and will close the title tag. Suppose I am giving it the title Kamal, or you can say Kamal. Then after you will save it, you will press Ctrl S. So the PC will give you options. Where do you want to save? You can save anywhere. Hmm? You can save in your PC, you can save in any folder where you want. So you want to save it on the desktop, or whether you want to save it on the documents. They are asking you that where do you want to save. So you will select that according to your PC. You will give the file name, whatever name you want to give, you can give. Suppose I had given the title Kamal, so I will write the file name as well, the Kamal. So whatever name I will give, after that I will put .html. Then after we will select the all files and will save it. Okay, so it will get saved. So it was the thing. So let us come to the our previous uh, things. Here was the Kamal title we have given. Now suppose in the body I want to give a heading. So heading I can give as h1. I will open the heading tag h1 and will close the heading tag h1. Here I am giving the heading welcome to the class. Save it. It is not saved. Welcome to the class. We'll save it. We'll save it on the desktop in the HTML in the class 10th. I will save it by the name mangal dot html, or select all files, save it. So we have saved. Look, HTML we had given the title. In the body we are writing what? In the body we are writing heading h1, and opening and closing that, and in between the opening and closing we are writing welcome to the class. Whatever you want to write in the heading, that you will write in between these two tags, which is opening h1 tag and the closing h1 tag. In between that, let me show you. You have selected the h1, will close that, and whatever do you want to write, you will write in between that. Okay, in between that you are writing welcome to the class. So like this you will write. Okay, so we have written it. Now and Control S, you will save it. Come to the your HTML file, go to the class 10th. I have made another file which have the name Mangal, and they are showing it. This Kamal class is showing you the welcome to the class, because title we have given as the Kamal. So Kamal will come in the tab. Body, in the body we had made the H1 heading, so it is showing you the H1 heading.